the NDA alliance will completely throw out the DMK government, the corrupt, incompetent, compromised and anti-development government of DMK is certainly going to lose this election, and I demand that Udaynidhi Stalin should immediately be removed from the government and action should be taken against Mr. Udaynidhi Stalin for his hate speech, for dividing the people of Tamil Nadu, for trying to create communal disharmony. Today, I had the honor of visiting and having breakfast with our leader, the leader of the AIADMK alliance in Tamil Nadu, Mr. Edappadi Palanisamy ji. I brought with me the greetings and good wishes of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, of Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji, and the good wishes of the newly elected President of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Shri Nitin Nabin ji. Thiru Palanisamy is my old friend. I have very high regard for him, and I am confident that under the leadership and guidance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji at the center and Thiru Palanisamy ji in Tamil Nadu, the NDA alliance will completely throw out the DMK government, the corrupt, incompetent, compromised and anti-development government of DMK is certainly going to lose this election, because the people of Tamil Nadu, my brothers and sisters of Tamil Nadu, the youth of Tamil Nadu, the women of Tamil Nadu, the farmers of Tamil Nadu, the laborers of Tamil Nadu, all have realized that other than family rule and corruption, the DMK government has done nothing for the welfare and prosperity of Tamil Nadu. The infrastructure is crumbling and misgovernance, corruption, anti-development activities is the symbol and only achievement of DMK. We totally oppose Mr. Udaynidhi Stalin for his anti-national comments. The High Court also yesterday has passed strictures against the hate speech of Udaynidhi Stalin, and I demand that Udaynidhi Stalin should immediately be removed from the government and action should be taken against Mr. Udaynidhi Stalin for his hate speech, for dividing the people of Tamil Nadu, for trying to create communal disharmony. Friends, tomorrow we are all very, very excited and happy that Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will be visiting Tamil Nadu, and a large public meeting has been organized. The people from all over Tamil Nadu are coming very enthusiastically to meet the Prime Minister, to meet Thiru Edappadi Palanisamy ji and all the other leaders of a united and strong Anna DMK-led NDA in the state of Tamil Nadu, which will come to power in April and transform the future of Tamil Nadu, will bring development, will bring infrastructure, we will bring good governance, and we will work for the women of Tamil Nadu, for the children of Tamil Nadu, for the youth of Tamil Nadu, for the fishermen, for the farmers, for every section of society, so that Tamil Nadu once again becomes the glorious Tamil Nadu that we are all proud of. We will restore Tamil culture, Tamil pride, and make Tamil Nadu the #1 state in India. Vanakkam, Nandri.